Say hi, guys.
No.
Hi. Okay, well, at least Josie did. I didn't get to film today because I'm a lazy bum.
So are we.
It's like 5 o'clock. Yeah. I said to say hi. Either way, I'm a loser. I'm going back to high school again to see the third show. Because it's pretty much my life.
Oh!
I don't know what else to film. I haven't filmed anything today. I feel so bad. I'm probably just gonna hang out backstage again, film everyone backstage, film some of the show, maybe Caitlin and Victor. I don't know. All I know is I'm hungry, and no, I said I'm hungry.
So?
Thank you, though. And I'm gonna see if. Oh wait, no. I think I have $1. Yeah, I'll find something with $1.
Can I ease my mind when we're all done? When we resign in the long run, will we leave behind most of all? I'll miss some of those whispers doing the lotto pick 6 every Christmas. In 5 years when this whole city's rich folks and hipsters, who's gonna miss this raggedy little business?
Yo, what it do? Great sunlight this morning? Hey, yo, cuz, we fixed the grate.
Yo, what did I tell you about this pump?
You have to commission an artist while the spray is still good. Forming an artistic opinion.
You did this last night?
Yeah.
There goes my flight.
What?
Hey, Pete, you're gonna need some new cans. Here's some money. Finish up to spin a slate, change your plans.
Nice.
Listen up, guys. You got a job. I'm not playing. You gotta go now.
Giving
Tell
them
the whole
everything.
block I'm staying.
Take
We'll
over
go
the-
ahead. Tell everyone we know, Sonny. All right. Yeah, I'm a straight back chilling in the heat. I illuminate the stories of the people in the street. Some have happy endings, some are bittersweet. But I know the more, and that's what makes my life complete. And if not me, who keeps our legacies? Who's gonna keep the coffee sweet with secret recipes? Of whether rest in peace, you live in my memories, but Sonny's gotta eat. This corner is my destiny. Bring out the best in me. Because the destiny keep pressing me, yes indeed. You know I'll never leave when you close your eyes. The hydrant is a beach, the siren is a reed. The fire receives a leap on the wall. What I'm sorry, but I don't know that because I'm telling you slowly. I can tell your body is smiling. I found my island. I've been wanting this whole time.
Caitlin just called me Filipino.
It's like Spanish, right?
No, it's not.
You're
It's more Oriental than anything else.
Like you're in the barrio because you're Filipino? With the Piragua or something like that?
Piragua and Barrio. We just saw a Hispanic show, for God's sakes. You can't get it right? Papayas, exactly. Papayas. I'm glad we're on the same page. Kaylin, we're gonna be friends forever, aren't we?
Patensaites.
Fucking Christ, bro! I had to interrupt your answer. Look what you did. You changed the station.
I didn't mind the
There we
country
go.
there. I was feeling it.
I was really upset the Mexican station didn't work.
You are Mexican.
We're gonna go eat, because that's all we do is eat.
We're fat asses, it's fine.
The last time I was at the gym, it burned like 1,000 calories, so.
Who cares?
Caitlin, do you like me? Look at your dick hole.
Yes,
Am I a fucking joke to you or some shit?
kinda. Actually, yes.
How the fuck are you, my friend?
I don't
Ask
know.
me why I haven't strangled you yet.
Why haven't you strangled me yet?
Because I can't. It's too late in my life to find a new best friend.
See, you stuck with me.
Unfortunately, Caitlin.
Technically, you're fucked.
Ah, well, not really. That hasn't happened in a while. Ah!
You get dirty.
I'm so gross. Oh, something in my eye.
Haha, you suck.
Shut up, Caitlin. Be my Oz menu.
one likes you.
I have an Oz menu.
No one cares.
I'm gonna put it up like a spell book.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth.
You are.
Just gonna read my menu like this. Starters. Crab cake appetizer? Maybe. French onion. It's always been like this. Do you want to just go to a diner? We can leave. Diners are a lot cheaper. We could go. Just leave? Yeah. Okay, look, we changed our mind. You know you want to. Well, do you either want to pay a lot more money or do you want to be a little bit rude? I vote for my
Neither.
cheap, sweet option. A little bit of Monica in my life. Oh, thank you! Awesome. Thank you, creepy man. That was weird. Caleb, let me in the car before he rings and kills me. Caleb, please. Let me in. Before he rings and kills me. Before I become like a stew. That was creepy. He said, okay, the fact that he complimented me is great, but the fact that he called it cute is creepy. He doesn't know how old I am. Don't hit on me.
You're 3.
Yeah, I'm 3, mentally. We left Z1, it wasn't working out.
Nope.
Well, it was so awkward because, like, oh, you want to go? Hey, guys, what can I help you with? We're like, nothing.
We're like,
I'm not fucking around with this. I hate when they do this because it's a ruse. You don't know how much ketchup is in the fucking bottle. They paint it red. It's like, oh, it's a full bottle. Let me pick it up. And then you pour it and nothing fucking comes out. Nothing comes out. They lie to you. I don't appreciate that. Restaurateur.
well, at least they don't fake the syrup.
Because it has to be in a clear jar. What's this shit? Don't lie to me. I want to eat my food the way it is.
I'll try not to.
Ketchup-y. Tastes like lies. What did I do? Did you hear how loud that sound was?
Who's that?
Oh, because I went like this and like you
No.
flicked it.
It was me.
Yay!
French toast. Thank you.
Oh.
Can I get you guys anything?
No, thank you. Actually, can I just have a little thing of mayo?
Mayo?
Because I need more calories. Caleb, look at my food.
It looks like food.
It's delicious.
Look at my food.
You have 2 pieces of bread. That's really impressive.
I got French toast. Calm yourself.
I'm pretty calm.
You're not actually. Okay. Alright. Listen, when you have
I set it here because I want to film me doing it. Hold me. Film me doing this. It's facing me already. I'm doing French. It was like, oh my god. Is there a story for that? It's Jack and the Beanstalk, right?
Yeah.
He goes, I'm climbing up the beanstalk now. Here I come. Fee. Boo. I'm not scared. Wait, I need a smaller one. I'm not scared. You can't take my heart. But I want your heart. You can end it if you want.
Wait, you wanted to take your heart?
Yeah, harp. You know how Jack takes
Oh, I
the
was like,
golden
why
harp?
is he taking a
No,
heart?
he takes the golden goose, right? The
That's
harp
not much.
sings, and she's like, stay here, Jack. She's over here. She's like, Jack, I'm in the middle here this way. No, damn it, harp, stay. Jack, I'm the talking harp. Oh, I'm gonna go talk to the harp. No. I'm eating Jack.
This is what happens at 11 o'clock at night.
What happens at 11 o'clock at night?
These,
mustache
these
goes-
things. These things.
Wait, that's not snack. I need a curvy one.
That's all we need, a curvy one. Oh, there's a special curvy one. This is what I deal with.
This town ain't big enough for the buttons.
Really? This is what I deal with on a daily basis. This is what I have to go through.
Blue tongue. Anyway, that was my day, guys. I'm home now. I gotta just leave this here for a second, so forgive me. But, ooh, iPad's at 100%. Come on. So let me just talk to you while I do this so it's not awkward. Yeah, so that was my day. Hope you guys really enjoyed watching the clips of the show. There are 2 more performances with 2 different casts. Tomorrow there's one cast and their alternate is Saturday. I still recommend, if you have not seen the show, fucking go see it because it is amazing. They were amazing. No. They're amazing, and I'm so proud to call them my family. Ooh, I look like a ghost. Either way, I still think you guys should go and see it. It's a hell of a show now, and it's the end of the night, and you know what that means. Time for it to bring our old tradition back, right, guys? Hope you're clapping. I hope you're clapping.
So long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Say so long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great.
I don't want to sing this whole thing.
to play and sing together.
In the box.
And now
He's gonna be
it's
my black man with
time to
dreads.
say goodbye.
Bye, guys. I'm such a child.
Farewell to you, my friend.
It's the only friends I probably have.
For now, until we meet again. Goodbye for now, until we meet again.
Night, guys.